So yeah, talking about a great view from Mussenden Temple behind me of this is Downhill, one of my favourite beaches in Northern Ireland so far. I'd say it's one of my favourite beaches I've been to in all my travels. Aim to do a sunset swim. I've got low battery, so I'm probably not going to be able to capture that, but as you can see, it's gigantic. The tide is I'm not sure if it's coming in or out. It looks like it's out right now, but that way you've got some great caves, and all the way down there is a fantastic coffee shop. I'll do another video. There's a little hut, but yeah, you can see you can drive on the beach. You're gonna have a dip. In my other video, I was in Mussenden Temple. I just walked from there, which is free. But yeah, great views. What's my battery? Let's go along here. It's really nice when you come here. I've got an old clip somewhere I'll upload. When it's windy and there's big waves, it's very dramatic from up here. Yeah, epic viewing. Can you see the people in the water there? There must be little dots on this camera. Battery's gonna run out, people. Yeah, don't know why I've started talking to camera. Must be all the travel bloggers I've been watching. How Bored and Bankrupt. I'm gonna, inspired by you guys, I've done a lot of traveling myself. I like making films, so what the heck, I'll give it a go. I better stop recording, although they would not run out of battery, would they, like I have just now, but I wasn't planning to blog. Doing it out of boredom, giving it a go. Yeah. Hayes Outdoors as well, the camping dude, give a shout out. I like him. Oh, and Kurt Katz. An Indigo Traveller. Ow, I've just been stung.